Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. And let me bring this box out. And for this video I have a really exciting unboxing for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, before I open this box, I wanted to basically say that this is from Kim Jone's first collection that he did with Dior Homme. And the thing with this collection was that, going back, so Kim Jone brought a certain aspect of street style to, luxury brands when he was over at Louis Vuitton, which I appreciated because he was, trying to aim for a younger crowd instead of, the older crowds. But that is also risky because, younger generations, usually they don't have as much money as the older generations, but I think, older generations are still really cool. Like, I like to think that I'm cool, and so I was excited to see more younger feeling, designs coming from these luxury designers. And so when I found out that Kim Jone went over to Dior, it was kind of sad that he left Louis Vuitton, because Louis Vuitton was one of my favorites design houses. But I've come to like a lot of pieces from Dior as well. And the thing with this release was that I was really worried that I wouldn't be able to score anything at all, because I hadn't contacted any essays. I mean, I've asked friends for their essay information, and I just hadn't gotten to actually contacting anybody because I just had no time at all really. And when I found out that this collection was being released online, I was really excited. And so it was supposed to release at midnight, I think Pacific time, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so I stayed up, and I'm in Central Time, so Pacific time, midnight would be like 2 a.m. my time, which is really late at night for me. But I stayed up and I was able to score something. Now, the release didn't go as planned because it didn't release not until like maybe an hour later, and people were like, we're so upset. Like, people were, I'm just trying to see how I open this box. People were commenting on Kim Jone's Instagram. People were commenting on the Dior Instagram account. It was really crazy. And the thing about it also is that I think this release was released online to mimic sort of like a drop from, like shoes or anything like that. Like Supreme, basically, that drops every Thursday at 11 Eastern time. This was said to drop on, midnight. I forget the actual day. And there was also a countdown online also, which I thought was pretty cool. And so when it had expired, the time it went from 0 to 0. I'll post a picture like right here so you guys can see it. I posted a picture on Instagram, on my Instagram, and a few minutes later, Kim Jone himself, so I did tag him in my picture, because I was like, what's going on? And a few minutes later, he reposted the picture that I posted, but of course he did not give me any credit. I'm like, what's up with that, Kim Jone? But anyways, I still stayed up until they actually released the products, and I was able to score. I'm sorry, I just hit myself. I was able to score this piece right here. I've had it for several days already, and I've been diligent enough to, you know, not open it because I wanted to do it with you guys. I think, so there is, I think I just tear this off. Oh my gosh, okay, so that didn't work. Let me tear it from this side. Okay. And one thing I noticed also with, okay, I think I need to cut these things here also. I got my blade here. One thing that was a little interesting was when, so people, I don't think people really knew what the prices were going to be. And when the pieces finally were released online and the prices were shown as well, people were starting to comment things on Kim Jone's Instagram. It was like, you know, I can't afford any of this stuff. Which, I mean, okay, so they are trying to target younger generations. But yeah, younger generations aren't going to have as much money. So again, like I said, it's a risky thing to do. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this with you guys. I'm really excited again. So it's a pretty heavy box, and this is a little bit... Ooh, wow, okay. So look at that. Look at that as far as packaging. Oh, look, there's a little... Oh, if I could... Let me put that down there. So, so there is a Dior, you guys can see, envelope up here. I don't know if I could take that out. Let's see what this is. Okay, here, I'm just gonna put this box down here. Okay, I think this is just my receipt. Yeah, so this says, thank you for shopping at Dior.com. If it'll focus. And it says, we hope you enjoy your purchase. Visit us again soon. Here is my receipt, and I guess this is a return tag if I do decide to return it. Okay, let me close that. And I think there is also, oh my gosh. Oh, and there is a shopping bag in here. And I already saw that Mr. Jan All-in-One, he was able to get something from this collection, so that was really exciting. I just got myself a paper cut. But let me put, so here's the bag again. And he got a different box, and he got the holiday packaging, I think, which is really beautiful. Alright, so let me just bring this box up here so I could have a stand for you guys. And here is the item, or the box. It is in a blue box, has Dior written on the ribbon. And I'm not gonna undo the ribbon. Let me just try to slip this off. Alright, I'm so excited. Oh, okay. And if you guys have seen my previous video, I just watched the newest runway of Kim Jone's for, was it fall 2019? Jeez. Okay, this box is not wanting to cooperate. And so, like I said, I did have to stay up until like 3 in the morning to get this, and I'm really glad I did, and I'm glad I waited patiently for this item to pop up. Okay, this is really, okay. Here is the box again. Here is the packaging. I'm just gonna take it out. I won't rip the sticker. Oh my gosh, okay. So let me put the box down. Can you guys guess what it is? You guys can see it says Dior right there. Oh my gosh, so this is the dust bag. I'm really, really excited. I just saw a little piece of it. And here it is, you guys. It is the saddle bag in the... Here, let me try to take this off. I'm going to use scissors. Okay. There's tape all over the place. Okay. Anything else in here? There's nothing else in here. It's just tissue paper. But here is the bag. And here is the tag. It is just called the saddle pouch. And yeah, look at it. Now I'm really worried that it's not gonna fit me, but let me take this box down and look at this buckle. Ain't that really cool? So this buckle was designed by, I think his name is Matthew Williams from Alex Designs or something like that. And I think I just do push these levers down to remove it. That's really cool. So here is the bag, you guys. Let me try it on. I already know I'm gonna have to go all the way to the extreme length of this bag, but it is adjustable, so that's really nice. Alright, so let me try it on, and there you go. I don't know if this is the right way to do it. Let me see, this way. Okay, so I think that looks better, but yeah. So, still really odd, but it's going up and down. I think on some models I've seen them like more sideways, but maybe I need to go like this. Okay, there you go. This has it more like how it's supposed to be, and it fits, you guys, so that's really cool. Let me go ahead and take this off real quick and show you guys more of a detailed look at it. So whenever I order something, especially when it's crossbody like this and it has a strap, I always worry that it's not gonna fit my big self, and I'm really glad this one does. So this is in the black version. I had debated whether or not to get the blue one, but I got the black one in the end. And this one, you can see it has a white stitching on it, which I don't know if I'm such a big fan of that. And so when I saw that picture, or you know, the video of Kim Jone's new collection showing the So Black, I think it was, it got me really excited. So here is the inside. It is a zipper, and on the inside there is some more tissue paper. Here is a booklet. I think that's the care instructions. Here's a controlado card. More tissue paper. And wonder if there's supposed to be like an authenticity card. Because I know with my, oh here I think it is. How do I open this, you guys? I just push it out. Ugh, I don't want to ruin it. Well, it looks like there is a card in here, and that must be the authenticity card. But yeah, there is a card in there, and I think that is the authenticity card. But here is the inside of the bag. I don't know if you guys can see much of inside because it is dark. There's no other pockets in here, and I wish there was a back pocket in the back here or behind here, but there is no other small pockets. But yeah, so that is the bag, and really excited because this is my first Dior Kim Jone's piece. So yeah, what do you guys think? And isn't that buckle so cool? But yeah, I'm really excited. And that does it for this video. I'm just gonna try this on again. But yeah, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price, because I do try to reveal prices whenever I do buy something retail. This baby right here cost $2,600. And so I thought that was actually not too bad when you consider how much the saddlebags in the women's line go for. I think they go for over $3,000. And I was expecting this bag to cost that much also. And so I was excited to see that it was only $2,600. And so, yeah, I was saving up, you know, the money for this, and you guys will see in another video that because this didn't cost as much as I thought it would, I was able to get something else. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, and until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.